Guys, in this video I'm doing a makeup tutorial using some products I chose for my local look curated collection, which will be launching at JCPenney online and also at the Stonebriar location in Frisco, Texas. That's Stonebriar Mall, if you're familiar with that. It will be in stores, and basically I selected a bunch of fashion, home, and beauty items to be in this lineup, and that also includes kitchen. Y'all know I like to cook, so I had to throw that in there as well. But this makeup look uses several of the products that I chose, along with some other products available at Sephora inside JCPenney. So without further ado, if you'd like to see the look, keep watching. So I got a ton of goodies from Sephora inside JCPenney. Enough goodies to create an entire makeup look. So if you see me continuously going down, I'm literally digging into my bag to get different items. I'm going to start off with an eyeshadow primer all over the eye. This is just going to help your eyeshadow stay on and prevent creasing as well. For brushes, I'm using the Skin Perfecting brush set from Sephora collection. I got this from, well, everything is from Sephora inside JCPenney. And it has 5 synthetic brushes infused with collagen. As you all know, collagen is very good for your skin, so I'm very excited to use these. It says collagen is known to have skin revitalization properties for healthy glowing skin. It pretty much offers an anti-aging boost. So for this look, this is what I'm going to be using. And what I love about it as well, it comes with this brush holder, a carrying case, so you can travel with it easily, store them easily. So that's that. For eyeshadows, I'm using the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. Has a little clear protector in there to protect your mirror from getting fallout on it. But it's this nice palette of purples, browns, golds. I'm gonna do something kind of darker and sparkly. So this is pretty much all face brushes in my Sephora collection kit. So I'm going to use some other brushes for the eyes. I'm starting with my buffer shade, as I usually always do. I'm taking Eden, which is this color. I'm applying this to the crease. And this is going to help these colors blend better. So I'm putting this down first. So continuing to sweep this, you can apply as much as you want. This is based on how intense you want it to be. I'm going to do it a little more intense this time. I'm now going to take, I have to use Cosmo. It's like speaking to me right now. This color right here. It's a darker, shimmery, wine-ish burgundy color. I come up with like the craziest descriptions. But yeah, that's what it is. It's full of sparkle. Actually, it's a real glitter. So before I do that, I'm going to take another color on the lid. I'm going to use Saffron here. This color here. I can't tell. I think it's focused. Yes, I'm taking this color first, just because I don't want a sheer glitter on my eyelid. I'm applying this first. And these are so buttery smooth. Once again, I'm going back in with Eden because I can't stand seeing a harsh line. Even though there's plenty of time to blend, I don't like to see harsh lines. I like to get rid of those as soon as possible. For the inner tear duct, I'm taking this color called Blood Moon. This color here. I'm putting that right inside Saffron. Beautiful. And then I'm going to take a little more Eden again and just blend it down and kind of around that color, like in the outside of the shimmery color Blood Moon. I'm now going to take a slightly damp brush before I apply the glitter, and I'm going to go into the Cosmo, which is the shimmery color I showed you, and this is just going to really help it stick better if it's damp. You just want to press it onto the lid. You could also use your finger if you find that easier. I hope I wasn't blocking y'all. I didn't try to. And look how beautiful that is. I think I need to get out of the red scene. Gonna go to purple now. I'm gonna take Amethyst, which is this purple right here, darker matte purple, and I'm applying this to the outer V. It's gonna give it a different hue of color rather than just red copper tones. And I'm gonna do the other eye. I'm gonna start sweeping it into your crease a little. I said I blended a lot easier than this one. Whoops. So I'm gonna start doing the same to this side. And I'm actually gonna go back in more saffron, which is the darker matte red I used earlier. I'm going to apply that in between the glitter and the purple. This is also gonna help blend it when you re-add more color. I'm actually gonna do a little on the other side too. Now, I'm gonna take even more purple. Go as high as you want. And then lastly, go again with more Eden for your crease. And then above that, I'm gonna take Desert Sand, which is the lightest color in the palette. This color, and that's gonna be my brown highlight. And it's nice and matte. And then you can make sure it's blended with your buffer shade. I'm actually gonna take even more Eden and go in between one last time. And I'm gonna go in with the purple again, the Amethyst, and add some more of that. So you definitely want that to stay vibrant. Time for the lower lash line. So I found a couple of other products that I've gotten from Sephora inside JCPenney in the past. I'm going to use those for the bottom lash line. I'm going to take the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in Deep End. This is a pretty non-traditional color to use with this, but I think it would really be pretty. And I'm going to take the Huda Beauty Sapphire Obsessions palette. I'm pretty obsessed with this. You can tell by how messy it is. The color I'm going to use to set this eyeliner, so I'm going to use this color at the bottom, this matte color here. And that's just what I'm going to use. I'm also going to take this eyeliner and my waterline as well. I might stick to this actually. Ooh, I like that. Okay, so I think I changed my mind. I like the teal. So instead, I'm gonna set it with this one here. It's more turquoise, but I think it'll still look good. I'm gonna apply it lightly. I'm just literally using this color to set it. I'm not trying to apply too much color because I don't want to lose the intensity of the eyeliner. Gonna go back in with my Huda Beauty palette, the bigger one, Desert Dusk palette, and I'm going to extend that Blood Moon, this color here. I'm going to extend that into the inner lower lash line. Perfecto. Now I'm going to do something fun. I have also from Sephora inside JCPenney this Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Bayside Vivid Liquid Eyeliner Trio. Nice trio of bright liquid eyeliners. This is going to be pretty interesting because I have no idea which one I'm going to use yet. I think I'm going to go with the pink, actually. Well, it's kind of a pinkish color. This color is called Papaya Mama. I'm going to use that one. I think it'll look really nice at the top. You could definitely do green or blue if you wanted as well, but I want to do something that's kind of complementing to the look, even though all of them are complementing, honestly. You could pretty much make any colors work together. That's what I found in an experiment with makeup, but I want it to be kind of monochromatic at the top. And I have a piece of hair in my eyes, so before I cry everywhere, I'm going to try to find it. Okay, got it. Take this along the top. Ooh. Really like. This is really pretty. Never done anything like this before. I really like how this looks. I have Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer. I do recommend using something. Focus? Okay. I do recommend using something slightly lighter in your skin. To be honest, I didn't have time to get color matched for this, so I didn't take the time. I kind of eyeballed it, but I think I did pretty good. I mean, it matches my face. Because the great thing about these is that you can conceal, contour, highlight, retouch, or you can use it over your entire face because a little bit of it goes a long way, which makes it the perfect candidate for foundation. So Also from Sephora inside JCPenney. This is from Too Faced. I think I said that already. But it has a large doe foot applicator. Just gonna take a tiny dab of highlighter and then some of this just because it's a little darker. This is in the shade Maple, if I didn't mention it. Now I get to use my fun brushes with collagen from the Sephora collection. I tend to like fluffier brushes for concealer, but in this kit it has a stiffer concealer brush and it has a blending concealer brush. It has these two. I'm gonna use the fluffier one here. Just going to apply these, or not apply these, use these to blend out my concealer. Use this to blend out my concealer. And this brush is super soft. Oh, it feels like butter going into the skin. So I'm going around the border, being careful not to mess up the bottom lash line, which is very easy to do because you can turn the brush sideways. It has a wider side, and then you can also, you know, turn it to make it slimmer. And that really cleans up the bottom lash line and eyeliner nicely. For mascara, you can also find this at Sephora inside JCPenney. This is the Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir Major Volume Mascara. I have a baby one. I'm applying this to the top and bottom lashes. Gonna go back over the eyeliner because I got mascara on it by mistake. But also, be extra careful so you don't get any on your lashes. But you can always fix it with more mascara after. I think I said K like 50 times in this video, maybe, I don't know. I'm gonna take the new Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Hydrating Longwear Foundation in shade 390. I also eyeballed this one. Did pretty good because it matches. This is also from Sephora inside JCPenney. I'm taking one pump to start because I don't like too much coverage. I'm gonna take the foundation brush in my Sephora collection kit, and I'm gonna try to use my big mirror to do this. See, that's like perfect. And it provides such great coverage, and it feels so good on the skin. And it's very hydrating, which I can attest to because I have really dry skin. Probably just I normally take my hoops out because I always get makeup on them. And one pump is enough. It's a great move on that. I'm taking the Fenty Beauty Killawatt Freestyle Highlighter and Chills. This is the nice one that looks like a unicorn. I mean, all of them are nice, but this one's really nice. That's why it's in my collection. Look how pretty it is. I hate to swatch it. I hate to use it. It's so pretty. I'm using, actually, it's called a blush brush, but I'm using it for highlighter. You can definitely, you know, use these brushes interchangeably. It's the great thing about makeup brushes. I'm going to apply this as a highlighter. It has a nice highlight. Gonna do the other side now. It's so pretty. And it goes so perfectly with the color scheme I chose for today. I'm gonna put some lashes on and then I will do blush. Gonna go back and cover my lash glue up now with the same eyeliner I used from Fenty Beauty. Let that dry now. Gonna take blush now. I'm using the Sephora Contour Blush Palette. I'm going to take this darker pink one here. You can either use a highlight out of here if you want it. It has highlight contour colors. This is beautiful actually, this one here. Oh, I'm actually gonna contour and do blush with it. Using that same brush I used for highlight, I'm dusting it off. This is the actual blush brush. Whoa. Did not expect that. It's very intense, so don't dig your brush in there like I just did, or it's gonna take you a little extra time to blend. It's very pigmented. Oh yes. And dig it in there again. For lips, I'm gonna take this Fenty Beauty Mademoiselle lipstick in Flamingo Acid. It's a nice darker burgundy, and it'll really complement my eye makeup. Feel free to go with something neutral since you have more dramatic eyes, but I like a bold lip, so that's what we're going with. It's actually more of a purple pink, not burgundy. I really hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look using some products from the local look at JCPenney from some items I selected for my particular collection that will be dropping at Stonebriar on November 1st. The Stonebriar in Frisco, Texas at the Stonebriar Mall at that JCPenney location, and you'll also be able to check it out online as well. I'll have a link to it in the description box in case you want to shop and check out everything I have in my collection, in my curated collection. These two pieces are also two things from the local look at JCPenney that I chose, so if you want to check either one of these out, a link to these will be in the information box as well. All information about the meetups and everything like that, all that information will be in the description box. You can check that out. If you guys have any questions, let me know. I will talk to all of you soon. Thank you for watching.